Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's video, I am doing a review of the Govee LED wall light, which I have mounted here, which I am demoing for you right now. In the video, I'm going to talk about the unboxing, the accessories, the installation, and some of the cool and fun things you can do with the Govee LED wall light, such as dynamic response to music or voice, which I have set up here. All right, as you're watching the video and you find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So this is my current setup where my TV is mounted on my far wall. I wanted to use the TV and wall as a backdrop for future talking head videos, so I wanted to put the Govee wall lights around the TV to kind of accent the TV and to give it some color against the wall while I'm doing my videos. Here is the Govee wall light. The company is called Govee, which has lots of LED light products on Amazon. It's RGBIC, and it works with both Google and Alexa devices. In terms of features, it has smart voice control, scene mode, colorful lighting, dimmable, segmented color control, and music mode. When you open up the box, it has the Govee Glide Wall Light Quick Start Guide. I actually did go through it before sampling the lights to make sure I had everything in check. It also comes with a QR code that you scan for your app and the user manual. The package I got comes with the 8 individual light bars and 4 corner lights. It comes with the AC adapter and the Bluetooth module. As I'm reviewing this, I am disappointed there are no physical buttons to actually turn on and off the lights. It's all controlled through the app, which I'm not a big fan of. I would like that option in the future to have a physical button to turn it on and off. Let's take a closer look at the light bar. In terms of dimensions, it's 1 foot long and 1 inch wide. It's made of hard plastic and you mount it to the wall through the double-sided 3M tape, and I'm very happy to see that it's already pre-installed on the back of the lights. What I'm going to do now is mount it on my wall and then install the app to see how it lights up and what we can do with it. Just a quick demo on how easy it is to snap the pieces together to make one continuous light bar. I'm mounting the lights around the TV, and here's a video of me putting one in place. The double-sided tape is pretty strong and it held on nicely. This is how I managed the wire from the wall light. I had to go behind my TV with a cable clip to the wall, and if I walk over to the other side, I mounted the Bluetooth module with the provided double-sided tape against the wall, and I ran the wire into the black cable sheath to keep it organized and sort of hidden. When you first plug in the LED lights, it was kind of cool to see this pattern kind of go through and cycle through all the different light strips. The app that you use is called Govee Home, which you could download on both iOS or Android. So here I am, just downloading on my iOS device. Once you open it up, it's going to ask you to sync it to your Bluetooth, and will you allow Siri to use it? And I said yes. Also allows you to do home navigation, so you kind of flip through its product placement in terms of the app. And then of course you have to go through the user agreement and approve it. And then here's going to ask you to choose what device to add. So here I'm going to add and scroll through and look for the Govee wall light. So I click on it, and then it's going to ask you to create an account. So I'm going to quickly create an account. So once it's created, you can add the LED wall light. And at first it's going to connect it through a Bluetooth device. So I'm going to connect through it through Bluetooth. And you can give it a name. So here I'm just going to name it Govee wall light. And then you have the option to connect it to your Wi-Fi as well, which I did. And as soon as I connected to it, it said that it needed to be upgraded. So I am going to upgrade the firmware on the Govee wall light. And that was a very quick and easy process. It does state that when you're upgrading to remain within 2 meters of the device. Because right now it's connected through Bluetooth. and then the device is going to restart, and what happens is the Govee wall light will actually power off, and you just have to manually turn it back on again. And there you go. And now it's ready to use. So here is some quick features of the app. So it does have some custom scene modes it's already created for you. So in this next little bit, I'm just kind of cycling through some of the cool ones that I found, such as the previous one was Meteor, or and you can see it's very bright. You can actually have the opportunity to dim it as well. This is another fun one that's the custom scene. And again, I'm just kind of going through it. With the app, you do have the option to manually design your own pattern as well. You could design like which tube is which color, and the frequency and the dim and how bright you want the light as well. So if you're into and have the time that you want to customize it, you definitely can. But for me, I'm just going to just pick and choose from the various different scenes that they have already pre-built for you. And it's kind of neat as I'm kind of cycling through it. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2. Yeah. This is just a test of the dynamic mic. Using the mic from the iPhone to, as I talk, it is being dynamic to the lights. Cool. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed my dynamic beatboxing while I was trying to demonstrate the dynamic response of the lights to sound. It was pretty bad, I'll admit. In terms of the product, I'm very happy with the Govee LED wall light. It was very easy to install. The app is very intuitive to use. And the app has a lot of features in it that allows you to customize the LED wall light, as well as pre-selected scene modes that you can do, and it's kind of fun in terms of all the different selections that you have. So really, sky's the limit in terms of how you want to use the LED wall lights. I do prefer this over the LED strips. I think these lights are a little bit brighter, you can dim it, and I just like the overall look and glow of it here, as you can kind of see. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional LED light strips, I would strongly recommend the Govee LED light panels. It's more like a light tube. I really like the look and the ambience of it. Overall, there's nothing wrong with it. If you have any questions or comments about my setup or about the product, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.